Setting up a referral program in ShopWired is a fantastic way to boost your sales and grow your business, but it can be tricky if you're not sure where to start. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to set up a referral program in ShopWired, and by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how it works and how to get started. Stick around because I'll also be sharing an amazing alternative for referral programs that might suit your needs even better with some exclusive benefits. First off, let's talk about why setting up a referral program is so important. Referrals allow your existing customers to bring in new customers, creating a self-perpetuating growth cycle for your business. ShopWired provides an easy-to-use platform for this, but knowing how to fully utilize it is key to success. Next, let's dive into the setup process in ShopWired. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your ShopWired admin panel. Once you're in, head over to the Apps section on the left side of your dashboard. Here, you can search for a referral program app, such as Referral Candy or similar apps, which are integrated directly with ShopWired. Now, once you've selected the app you want, click Install. The app will then guide you through its settings, including customizing the rewards system. You'll be able to set up what kind of rewards your customers will receive for referring others, whether that's a discount, store credit, or a free item. It's important to find the right balance between incentivizing your customers and keeping it profitable for your business. Next thing, you'll need to configure your referral rules. This includes deciding how many referrals are needed before a reward is granted, whether there are tiered levels of rewards, and how long the referral link remains active. This is crucial because the more flexible you are with your program, the more likely people are to participate. The fourth thing you'll want to set up is the communication aspect. After someone refers a friend, you need to ensure they're notified about their reward and that the referral is tracked properly. You can either automate this process through email or set up a notification on your site. The easier you make it for your customers to track their rewards, the better the response rate will be. Once you've completed these settings, you'll want to test your referral program to make sure everything's running smoothly. Test the referral link yourself by making a dummy purchase through a referral to see if the reward system works properly and that the rewards are applied as expected. And here's where ShopWired might fall short for some businesses. Although the app integration is seamless, it lacks some advanced features that other referral programs offer, such as the ability to deeply personalize referral rewards or create more complex, gamified referral systems. If that's something you're looking for, you might want to keep watching. That leads us to an alternative worth considering: Insert Competitor. This software has some incredible features, like more flexible reward structures, deeper customization options, and easier management for larger teams. Plus, it integrates with a wider range of platforms, giving you more versatility. And while ShopWired is a solid option for smaller shops, Insert Competitor has the edge for businesses looking to scale quickly. Now, before you go, I've got something special for you. If you sign up through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of Insert Competitor, along with additional benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this chance to take your referral program to the next level. Remember, setting up a referral program in ShopWired is straightforward, but if you're looking for more advanced features, Insert Competitor might be your better option. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link for that exclusive offer.